take a little sip of water. Take a little sip of water. Leo!
Even
You gonna eat your lunch?
these are broken.
They're broken? Oh, is that right? They're broken? How come? Did you break them?
No.
No. These little thing right here, look. These are broken. Right here. This guy right here is broke. But Woody's okay. See Woody up here? That's pretty good. Okay, are you gonna do yummy, yummy, yummy here? What you like some chicken? Chicky, 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 boom, boom. Chicky, chicky, boom, boom. Chicky, chicky, boom, boom.
Oh, well.
Chicky, chicky, boom, boom. Who you got there? Where's your books? Where's your new books about potty chairs? Are they here? I don't see them. I don't see them. Let's see. We got so much that we can do. Let's see, what do we got here? What is this? I know.
Close the door. The closet.
I have to get up. The angry bird! Here comes the angry bird! He's coming! He's coming! He's a Leo! I'm so happy to see you! I'm so happy! Leo, come play with me! I'm so happy to see you! I'm so excited! I am just dancing and singing and jumping. Let me go. Here we go. Okay, throw me in the closet. Throw me. Wow. Here, watch. Here we go. I escaped. Here we go. I'm flying. I'm flying. Okay. Okay, you hurt yourself. Here, let me help you. Did you fall in the box? Let me kiss it. You're okay. You're okay. You'll live. You'll live to tell the story. Yes, you will. You'll live to tell the story. I love you. I love you.
She should have hit your back.
Did you hurt your back? Say, Mamie, I hurt my back. Say, I hurt my back. Can you say that? And scrape it. Let's say, come here. Come here.
Are you looking?
Yeah, you